I've done a little facing on the end, and so now I'm turning down the diameter. I'm going to be boring out the center of this hole, so I did a pilot hole. Now I'm doing a 3/4 bit. Now we have a 1-inch bit. I got the collar onto the backing plate, and what I did was I bored out the center hole of the plate to just under the diameter of the collar, and then I turned the collar down on the lathe so it was a press fit into the plate, and then I just took my wire feed welder and welded on back here onto the plate. So now the next step, well, a couple of steps, I need to finish the back side of the plate, and I also need to mill a step here that fits into the 3-jaw chuck so it is tight on the plate. So that'll be my next step, is to do this register. I have the register step almost down to where it fits into the chuck, and so I'm going to use a file now and bring it down to the right size. Looks like that's about right. It just fits on perfectly. So now the trick is going to be locating the 3 holes around the outside diameter here. I don't have any transfer punches that I can fit into the holes with the chuck, and the holes don't go all the way through with the chuck. So I'm going to have to kind of do a little trial and error stuff here. I just got these Harbor Freight calipers, and they were $11 on sale. So it's stainless steel with a plastic housing, but there's one issue with them. It has an on-off button that you push it, and the only time that the on-off button works is if it's down near the 0 point. Well, now that's just kind of wigging out, isn't it? Why is it doing that? Stop! Stop! I may have to return these. So I've had this lathe close to 35 years, and this chuck has never been on anything in that period of time. Who knows how long it's been. It works very well. You can see I have a little bit of runout though. About 15 thousandths. Alrighty, we're reading 3 thousandths run out. So I think I will call that good for a welded together adapter plate. Well, we've already got a divot there from eons ago, so I guess I'll just put a mark on the plate right here. It's not the nicest looking thing, but it was free other than my time and a little bit of welding. I think it turned out pretty well. Well, we'll call this project done. I now have this 7.5 inch 3-jaw chuck on here. For the longest time I'd been using this 4-jaw, and it actually has some writing on it. Made by Westcott Chuck Company, Oneida, New York, USA. And this next section says Importe de Estados Unidos America. I don't know why that would be on there. Next one is trademark IXL. And here, J.H. Westcott, Independent Chuck. Now it's interesting, on each one of the jaws there's a date of 1913. So I was looking on the lathe a little bit ago, and there's some castings, there's some dates cast into the bed down there, and the most current one is 1910. So I was thinking it was 1916, but it's 1910. So I guess this lathe is 105, and it still works well. Another interesting thing is when I was making the threads for this adapter plate, in the Seneca Falls brochure from way back when, it said it was a 1 7/16 by 12 thread. But when I measured the spindle, it was 1 5/8 8. And the lathe came with this backing plate, so it's got the same threads, and also the 4-jaw chuck has those same threads. So I don't know if if somebody's replaced the spindle. I don't know why they do that. It sure looks original. But anyway, there you go. My 1910 Seneca Falls lathe, now with a 3-jaw chuck on it. Thanks for watching.